All right. It's been raining for days. Can't do nothing out there on the truck. I want to make bare metal and then rust. So what am I going to do for the next week that they claim that we're going to be having rain? Jeez. I'm resetting up the shop. So all this week, I will be releasing one day of progress. 1 week from today, which is Sunday, this will be all in shape. Hold the phone. Guess what? I got $1,000 given to me to expand my work area. Being I rent in the place, I don't want to put something permanent down and not have it when it's time for me to go or whatever the case may be. So what I'm going to do, I'll go back to Harbor Freight, get another one of these carport frames, put it over here, so that'll be two. I will get some lattice, more lattice, wrap the whole thing with lattice, and then I'll figure out what kind of sheeting stuff I'm going to do and how, where, and all that garbage. I also expanded out my work area inside. Took part of it and went into the main garage where I have to share with everybody, family-wise, and section off a piece, and this is where my stuff is. You put your stuff there, it goes straight out the garbage. I ain't gonna toss it across the hallway or nothing. I'm gonna deliver it to the garbage man. It's my space. Stay the stink out of it. Don't throw your garbage there. So, one other thing I want to point out, I want to say actually, is I feel like sharing the wealth. Everybody that listens or watches, sorry about that, watches my series of episodes of the shop remodel until it's done, leaves me one positive comment, no negative crap, because that don't count. On each video, we'll go into the hat, and then I'll draw out a name, and that person wins $100 cash. Go for it. I challenge you. Hit like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to hit that bell so you get all notifications and you don't miss a piece, chapter, whatever. Kind of excited right now. Been wanting a larger work area. It's coming together. Everybody have a good one.